Mocha no whip and full Americano.
That's what the people are carrying these bags. What?
They did. They did. I know. I know.
There's a little knife